All right. What do you guys studying? What's on the test tomorrow?
Quite a few stuff. I understand the majority of it. I
Uh,
just want to go over it one time with someone.
all right. Did she give you some review questions?
Yeah, I have a packet. I'm pulling it up now.
All right. Oh, you play soccer too?
No,
You just got the soccer trophies and the soccer ball on in your room?
those are my dad's.
Oh. Okay. Adding and subtracting polynomials. Okay.
Uh,
These ones just collect like terms with these ones.
I know I did that one. This answer is A.
3x4 plus 4x4 is 7x4. Yep. Negative 2x3 plus 4x3 is positive 2x3, and then 2 plus 2. Yeah, that one looks right. What about 2?
I didn't do two.
Okay, 7x2 is by itself. There's no like term of that one. All right, let me write on the screen here. Okay, so this one's all by itself. There's no like term with that one.
Mhm.
This one's all by itself. There's no like term with that one. This one's all by itself. There's no like term like that one.
Mhm.
All right, so what are they doing? There. And also same thing with this one and same thing with this one. They're all different terms. Okay, so it looks like it's this one right here. Why is it D?
D. Okay, let's see. Uh, so the negative 4x is, which one is that like term? Is it, hold on.
They're all different. 4. This one is 4. This one was 4, 3, 2,
It's
1.
in order.
Yeah, decreasing order. Yep, exactly.
Yeah, the 4, 3, 2. Yeah,
Check the signs though. Check the signs of the coefficients to make sure they're right.
what do you mean the signs of the coefficient?
Okay, so see this negative 4 here?
Yeah,
What's the coefficient? 4. This 4 right here. What's the
the,
sign? Negative 4. So what's the
oh,
coefficient? Negative 4.
okay.
Okay, so the first one's right. What about the 6x3? Is that coefficient right? Is that one right?
Yeah, because it's decreasing.
It's decreasing, but just because it's decreasing doesn't necessarily mean it's right. You just got to check each of them. Those two match up. Those two match up, so it is right. And then negative 4, negative 4, all of them match up. Okay.
Mhm.
It's not because it's in decreasing order that it's right. It's all the terms match up. That's the
Mhm.
reason it's right. All right, scroll down a little bit. Scroll down a little bit and zoom and make it bigger. Okay, select all, see what it says? Coefficients. We just talked about coefficients. Select all the coefficients in the simplified form of that. So this one matches with this one. This one matches with this one. And this one matches with this one. So match them up. Get it?
Yeah. Second coefficients that is simplified.
4y, 4y,
4, 5y,
5y squared, negative 1y squared,
6 is by itself.
6, and the 27.
The 27 is by itself though.
Yeah, so you're going to go negative 6 minus 27.
Why are we doing negative 6 minus 27 if they're not they're not like terms or anything.
They are like terms
Why they like terms?
because they're both numbers.
This isn't. Oh yeah. Okay.
Yep. So that makes them like terms. The y, this one right here, and this one right here, are those like terms?
No.
Why not?
Wait, they are.
Why are they like terms?
Y. It's 4y and 5y.
Because it's just y to the power of 1. Okay.
Mhm.
So number 3, select all the coefficients in the simplified form of that. So what's 4y minus 5y? How much?
4 is 4 minus 5.
Yeah, how much? Yep.
Negative 1.
Negative y, right? What is 5y squared? This one. Minus y squared. What's the coefficient there? What's 5 minus 1?
It's 6 to the power of not power
6y squared.
6y squared. Okay.
That's it. Yeah, that's it. And then negative 6.
I have a question.
Yep.
So sometimes, in class we add the squares. Not on this one, right?
Sometimes in class you add the squares.
Yes, the like.
When
No,
do you
no,
add the
I
squares?
know. I'll tell you. I have some problems that I added.
Okay, so what you're talking about is your exponent laws. When it's multiplication, you add the exponents.
Yeah,
But
I
we
get
just
it.
have an adding. If we just say y squared plus y squared, that's 2y squared.
I get it. I get it.
The next one, negative 6 minus 27. How much?
That's B. It's B.
B,
Yeah.
4?
Yeah.
Where are you getting the 4 from?
Oh, we're on number 3 still. I thought you went to number 4. Problem 4.
No, we're still on 3. We're not done. What's negative 6 minus 27?
Negative 6 minus 27.
You lose $6, then you lose $27. What's the net change?
30, negative 32.
Negative 33. Okay, so what's the answer to 3?
E. Wait.
What are your coefficients? What's the coefficient on this one?
The negative.
Negative 1. What's the coefficient on the 6y squared? What's the coefficient on that one?
The 6.
Yeah, 6. And this one, does this one have a coefficient? No, there's no coefficient on that one. So A and D. Okay, negative 1 here, 6 here. Negative 1, 6.
Mm.
Okay, all right.
Wait, I have a question. What was number 2 again? I forgot to check it out.
Number 2 was scroll up. I can't even see number 2. What is that in standard form? It's D.
Okay.
3 is A and D.
Mhm.
All right, you do 4.
I have it already. I'll write it.
All right. I can't erase that. Okay, there it is. Okay, which one is that? B? 4x3 plus 3x3, 7x3, yep. Minus 5x squared, that one's by itself. 6x minus 5x is 1x, yep. And then negative 7, yes, that one's good. All right, so what is, okay, so 5 is like number 3. What is the coefficient of x in the simplified form of that? All right, what about that one?
Coefficient of x.
What's the number beside x in the simplified form?
Like the 5s and the 3s and the 7.
Just the x. They're talking just about the x coefficient. Circle that one. Circle that. Yeah, that one. And which other one? No, not the x squared, just the x.
Oh, so just the 7x.
And the negative 5x and the negative 7x. So subtract that. Negative 5x minus 7x. How much?
-5 subtract -7.
Yep.
2.
Write it on the screen. Negative 5 minus 7. Minus 7. No, okay. You missed one. Okay, so remember, negative 5 minus 7 is not the same as negative 5 minus 7. Add a negative.
That's how she writes it. I'm just writing how she does it.
Those are two different things. Those are two different things, right? Minus 5 minus 7. How much?
Because look, right here, this is
Oh,
a
yes,
negative.
yes, you're right. You're right. Yes, my mistake. You're right. You're right. I'm wrong. All right, so, well, okay, what sign should this be then?
It's, what do you mean?
Minus.
It's still a minus sign though.
Uh-uh.
We're not adding.
We are adding. Why are we adding?
But it's 2, isn't it? Because 2 negatives make a positive.
There you go. So what sign should that be?
So I have to change it. You have to change
It
it.
should be positive. Yeah, positive.
So
So what's negative 5 plus 7?
it's -5 plus 7.
Yeah.
I thought, but isn't this? It's a -7 now.
But you don't forget though, there's a negative on the front of the brackets. You got to multiply this negative times this negative.
What are you writing?
See this negative right here?
This one.
Yes. You got to multiply that into the brackets.
So you want me to multiply the 3 too?
No,
just this-
remember the coefficient of x, not x squared. So it's minus 5x minus 7x. How much is that?
It's 2.
2x. So what's the answer to the question?
2.
2. Yeah, 2. But don't forget about that negative sign in the middle though, right? That's this one right here. Negative would be positive. That's why you got this positive right here. All right. So the answer on that one is 2. All right. What else you got? Which one are we on? 1?
Yeah.
Erase the purple, will you? Find the product of that and that. Complete the expression. All right, what does that mean?
I got it. So it's going to be. Why can't I? Hold on. Which one is the writing again?
Draw. Good. Plus 27. What? Yeah, that's right. Okay, number 2, choose a product of that. 1 and 2 are similar. How'd you know it was that fast?
Multiplication. Add the exponents.
Okay, yes, that one's right. 4x negative 4x5 plus 2x3 minus 6x squared. Yes, that's right. 3.
Which table correctly shows the multiplication of x squared 2. So negative 4x plus 4 and 6x plus 3.
So see this right here? They got that right there. And then the other one they got on the left. This one right here, they got down here, here, and here. So which one's the right multiplication?
Um, hmm.
So do you know how to do it?
Not
What's
this. It's because it's like the way it's set up is missing.
okay? So 6x times x squared is what? Is that the right answer for those two?
Oh, I know how to do this. I know how to do this. Sorry, but I'm gonna write it on my paper, and I'll tell you this. Hold on. I got it. It's just how it was set up. It was missing.
It's all good. They're just taking the rows and multiplying by the columns.
Yeah, I know. Okay. This is the one. Okay, so right here on these problems, we would say this one had a number at the top right here. Well, basically it does. It's not B. I can
Why
tell you
not? Why is it not B?
because so what she's been doing, and you just said it. We would when we're multiplying, we would add these numbers. This would have to be a 1.
Yes. Okay.
So therefore, this still has 2, so that's automatically out because it would have to be a 3.
Which one would be 3?
Like right here, this number right here, this number 2, that should be a 3.
Good.
Because
Good.
even if there's no number, it's automatically a 1. So
Yes.
2 plus 1 is 3.
Good. So now is it A or is it C?
Uh,
On C you got the 6x3 where it should be.
I think it's A. I
Okay,
think
what it is A, but why is it not C?
because negative 72. Where do you get that from?
Which one?
On C, it's negative 4 times 3.
Exactly. So it's
And
it's A.
how would you get 72? Yeah,
Yep. And then also this one doesn't make sense either.
which one?
The
Yeah,
one 18x3, that doesn't make sense either.
it would just be 3.
3x2. Yeah. Okay, good. No, yeah, that was good. All right, 4, choose the product of that and that.
Let me see. It's basically the same thing as the last problem. All I'm doing is
Yeah,
just
just
creating
multiply it out. Yeah.
my own blocks like this.
If you could do like that if you want to, you could just multiply it out on the paper. Just do it in whatever way you understand.
Yeah, like she literally. So we'll take these two numbers right here, put it on the side.
Yep.
X
Squared. Yep.
2 plus 7. I'm gonna write the plus 1.
Yep.
And it'll just
Make the
be
box make the box a little bit bigger because you're gonna run out of space. Do it like this. All right, do it like that.
okay. 6x and 2 negative 4x plus 5. This would be 18x.
What's the exponent number?
First,
Good.
negative 12.
Yep.
Hold on.
2 plus 1.
It's 3.
3. Yep.
And then this would be 15.
Yep.
Isn't it just 2? This one right here?
Yes. X2. Yep.
Okay.
42
X negative. Oh no, not negative. Sorry.
positive. Yeah, positive.
Negative 28. Wait, yeah.
Don't forget the x squared on the 42x. Yeah,
Is it
put a 2 there.
right here?
Above the x. Yep.
Okay. And then this box is just 35.
Okay, good. Now collect your like terms there. Collect
Yeah.
your x50. Yeah, there you go. Collect those x squares.
Um, It's this one and another number.
Which
Uh,
other?
I think it's this one.
Yep. Okay, so now, yep, add them.
It'll be 42 plus 15
Yep.
and 57.
Okay.
And then you just get this.
Yes.
18.
18x4 minus 12x3 plus 57x2 minus 28x plus 35. Yep. D.
Okay. Another thing, one thing. So like, say when I get the box, right?
Yeah.
mm, How do I know which order to put the numbers in? Is it just I start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that?
Go in decreasing order.
Decreasing. Okay.
You know what I mean? 4,
Yeah, like how the other problem was. I get it.
4, 3. But it doesn't always have to be in decreasing order. As long as you have the right terms, it doesn't matter the order.
Okay.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0. This is x to the 0. They can be mixed up, but as long as they're the right terms, it's fine. Whatever order.
Mhm.
All right, that one's good. 4D is good. All right, 5, same idea. Do your set up your
Oh,
box.
I
If you
got
need to set up your box.
this one already.
Okay.
Right. So this one would be 12 negative 17.
How'd you do this one with the box?
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
6 negative 16.
Okay. That seems to make sense. All right, that one's good.
Next one.
Yep. 6. You got 6 underneath.
Huh? Oh, yeah.
Oh, this is a new sheet. Select all the coefficients of the product that.
So this one is, I thought this one was the easiest one. You just make a small box, smaller one.
Uh-huh.
Then you just take the numbers and you just put, it's basically 5y plus no 3x to the square of 1. That's how you say it? 3x to the square of 1.
There's no x in that one.
I mean, wait. I was looking at the wrong one. It's 5y negative.
5y, -3,
Yeah, and then
5y, -3.
yeah, and then you would just well on my paper I put the 3 up here, but I don't think that really mattered. But yeah. And in the box I had hold on. I'm just writing it out already, so it's easier to explain.
Well, make sure you're writing the right numbers there.
Huh?
You switch the coefficients.
What do you mean?
You've got 3x here and -5 here, or 3y. It should be 5y.
Nine X.
No, you're switching up the coefficients. See what I mean? You're switching the coefficients. It's 5 and 3, not 3 and 5.
What do you mean? This is how I'm writing it how I wrote it on my paper.
The coefficient on this one is 5y. The coefficient on this one is
But-
-3.
But if are you trying to say like I'm not putting it like the right here should be 5y? Is that what you're trying to
Yes.
say?
Yes.
But she always says that it doesn't matter what order it's in.
It doesn't matter what order it's in, but you got to write the right coefficient. That's the wrong coefficient.
Oh, I'm sorry. I literally keep looking at the wrong box. This right here would be 25y. Yeah, I keep looking at the wrong problem.
Okay, don't look at the wrong box. Make sure you don't look at the wrong box.
Sorry.
If you look, don't be looking at the wrong box tomorrow, man.
Hold on.
All right, get in the hang of doing it the right way, right? Just like you practice football, right? You run through the plays the right way.
Right here, 25y.
Yep. So your muscle memory kicks in.
Mhm.
What's the exponent there? What's the exponent?
Isn't it 2?
Yes, y squared. On the y, right? Not on the 25. Okay.
15x negative 15x.
Why? Make sure you write the right coefficients and variables, man. Why?
I really keep looking at the wrong.
What are you looking at, man? What are you looking at?
I keep looking at problem 3.
Scratch this out, man. Scratch this out. Don't look at this, man. Don't look at that. Don't look at that.
Negative 15.
We'll get there.
No. Like terms right here. These two. All right.
Yep. Now combine those two.
You get 30 automatic. I already know 15 plus 15 is 30. And then it's negative, so it's negative 30. And then you have 25 right here. So it's 20.
Yes, exactly. Okay. Okay, it's real easy when you write the right. You got to write the right things, man. See how easy that was.
Yeah.
You wrote the wrong thing a couple of times, so make sure that don't happen tomorrow, man. You understand the material. You just gotta like pay attention to the small details.
Mhm.
Which is the product of that times that?
I don't know this one.
Set up the box. If you need to set up the box, set up the box.
Dude, are there why I can't write.
Or just foil it out, man. Foiling and doing the box is the same thing. Same thing. Just do whatever way you understand better.
What did you write again?
You know, distribution, foil.
Yeah.
Foil and the box is the same thing. Which one do you understand easier? That times that, that times that, that times that, that times that. There's your box. Same thing. What's x times x?
X.
X squared. What's x times y? Negative y. negative xy. What's x? What's positive y times x? Plus xy. What's y times negative y? Negative y squared. Those two will cancel out. This minus this, which is d.
Um,
Same thing on this one. Same thing
That
on
one.
this one.
okay.
FOIL and the box is the same thing. Just set it up whatever way is easier for you.
Okay. I got number 3 down already.
3, which is the product of, okay, which one is that?
It's here.
Yes. All right. Okay. Yep. Negative 5 times 3x. Okay, check that one. Check that one. Negative 15 squared. Is that right?
Mm,
Check
what
these two.
what
Check
is
the
that?
2 on the bottom. Check
Is it,
this one and check this one.
is it
What's 3x times negative 5?
3x times 3 times negative 5?
Yeah, how much?
Negative 15.
What else?
X.
Negative 15x. This is an x right here. Scratch out this 2. Negative 15x. Okay.
And then what's wrong with the 25?
The
Is it,
sign. The sign.
is it negative 25x?
Why should it be negative? Or
Because
there's 2 things wrong. There's 2 things wrong with it.
the 5, so like
What's 5 times negative 5?
negative 5. Negative 5 times 5 is 25.
Negative 25.
Yeah, negative 25.
Negative, and then take out this variable.
The X, take it out.
There's
Okay.
there's no x on that one.
Okay. But other than that, it's correct, right?
Now, what is this one right here? What's this one right here?
What are you putting in? The negative 15x is the like, what do you call it? Like term? No, wait, yeah, the like term.
What is it? Is there a sign here? What's the sign there?
There's a negative there.
Okay, why is it negative?
No, there's no negative there.
Is it positive?
I erased it.
Okay, so these 2 cancel each other out.
Mhm.
All that's left over is this and this, which is this one, A.
Yeah.
All right. You got to multiply this correctly, man, because it doesn't seem like you're doing it too good, man. You're making like a lot of small mistakes, and those mistakes will come back to you. You know what I mean? Like that one's
Because I'm only writing it wrong on the paper. I have everything correct because she checked it. It's just I'm writing it on the screen wrong. That's all.
all right. What about 5?
We're not gonna do 4.
Use the difference of 2 squares. Do you know what that means? Find the
No.
product of 22 and 18. Do you know what that means?
No.
What's the difference of two squares? What does that mean? It's just like the one we just did. 3a. Difference of two squares, like this, x squared minus y squared, or 9 squared minus 4 squared, or something like that. Difference just means subtraction. Two squares just means one square here and the other, like two variables squared, two numbers squared. Product just means multiplication. Okay, so how can we write this one as a square, and how can we write this one as a square? How can we break this number down? How can we break this number down?
Is it simplifying it? No.
How can we break the 22 down?
Dividing
Into what?
by 2.
Why do we want to divide it by 2?
You said break it down.
Okay. Why did you choose 2?
Because 2 could go into 22 and 18.
Okay, that's true. That's true. All right, so what would you write here? What would you write in these 4 boxes?
So the first box, 11 plus, what is it, 9? No. Wait. Yeah, 11 plus 9.
And what's 11 plus 9?
20.
What number are we trying to get to?
396.
No, the 22.
Oh, okay. So it's not that one?
No, we got to think about perfect squares. 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared, 5 squared. Like that, and the rest of them. One of those. Did you guys do this one in class?
No.
Did you guys do 5 in class?
No.
Okay. All right, for 22, we can say is 16 plus 6. Why did I choose 16 and 6? And for the 18, why did I choose 20 minus 2?
Because it equals 22 and 18.
Okay, so why didn't I just use 21 and 20? Or sorry, 21 and 20 1. Why didn't I use 17 and 1 here? Why did I choose that one? And why did I choose that one?
Seventeen plus 1 is 18.
That's true. But why did I specifically use 20 and 2? Why did I specifically use 16 and 6?
Because they add up to the numbers.
That's true, but why? I mean, 9 and 12 you add to 22. Why am I using that one and not that one? Why am I using 20 and 2 instead of 15 and 3? Why am I using these two and not these two?
I don't know.
Because of the question. Look what it asked. Difference of 2 squares. Difference just means subtraction, right? 2 squares is just one number squared and another number squared. Difference is subtraction. Okay, so let's see here. We can use find the product of 18 and 22. We know 22 times 18 is 396, right? They give you the answer right here. They already give you the answer. 396. Do you know what 20 times 20 is?
Huh?
What's 20 times 20?
Yes.
Well, you'll just say 20 plus 2 here, and then 20 minus 2 here. Minus 2 here. 20 times 20 is 400. 2 times negative 2 is 4. That's how you get the 396. Okay, they give you the answer. They kind of want you to work backwards. All right. So look at the answer. Think about what the closest perfect square is, which is 400. And then you're subtracting off 4. Oh, sorry, this one is, all right, my bad. This one should be 20 squared. This should be 20 here. And this should be 2 here. All right, that one you kind of like gotta think about really and see which numbers make sense there. All right, what about 5? How are we going to do 5? Product? Just set up your box or set up your foil.
Is it like problem 1?
I don't remember problem 1. What's
Yeah.
problem? Did you set up a box for that?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, set up a box. Yeah, product just means multiplication.
Hmm.
Set up your multiplication. Yep,
Like that.
yep. Now multiply all 4. Yep. What are you missing on that one? What are you missing there? There you go. Good. Good. Now combine your like terms. Yep.
I like
Okay.
term 24.
Yep. What's the first term in the last term?
Um,
Is it C or D? Yes. Yep. It's D. Okay, good. All right, next one.
So anytime I see product, I'm automatically multiplying.
Yes. Product, multiplication, difference, subtraction, sum, addition, and what's division? So remember these key things. Sum, that's addition. Difference, that's subtraction. Product, multiplication. This one is multiplication. What's the division? What's the word here? Quotient or ratio. Quotient or ratio. Okay. Quotient or ratio just means division. Sum, addition, difference, minus, product, multiplication. Okay, remember that.
Quotient or ratio.
Yeah, for division, yeah.
Mhm.
Or fraction. All mean the same thing. Okay, which one are we on? One. What is that divided by 4x? Okay, how are we going to do that one?
What is one of our 4x? Factoring. Factoring. Hold on, I'm looking at my notes. Okay, I know how to do this.
Divide each of the three terms by 4x.
I got it. I got it. Have you ever seen? Do you know what the X method is?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep. Set it up. How do you set it up?
I'm doing. Is it 480?
Is it what?
The 24 times 20.
Where are you getting the 20 from?
Wait, I'm doing it wrong.
See these three terms right here? See these three terms right here? Take each of them and divide by 4x. Just divide each of them by 4x. That's it. What do you get? What's this one?
96.
No, are you multiplying or dividing?
Divided.
Okay. So
No, I mean
what's
6. Sorry, 6.
yeah, 6. And what's x3 divided by x?
X. X 16 divided by 4. Oh, is 3 divided by 1? Is that what you're asking?
Well, okay, 24 divided by 4 is 6. What is x3 divided by x?
The X equal is 1 basically, right?
The one on the bottom is 1, yep.
It's just 3.
Remember your exponent laws, though. Are you adding or subtracting the exponents? This is x2 here. What's the second one?
Why am
3
I
minus.
why am I adding again?
You're not adding, you're subtracting.
I mean, why am I subtracting?
Because it's x3 divided by x. Exponent laws. 3 minus 1 is 2.
Okay.
What's the second one?
4.
Okay, write the whole thing. Yeah, write the whole thing.
Um,
What's 2 minus 1? Okay, good. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Next one.
5.
Okay, so which one is that? Which one? None of them?
A.
Yeah, it's A. Yep. Okay. All right, keep going to the next one. Okay, next one. Show the polynomial that as a product of polynomials. Basically, take that one and split it into two. How are you going to split it into two? How are you going to do that one? Factor that one. What's common to negative 15y4, 12y2, and 9y? What's common to all three terms? That's what you're going to factor out. What's the greatest common factor of the three terms? You don't understand what I'm saying?
Like a number that could divide all of them.
A number that can go into all of them.
So
The biggest number that can go into all of them. What's the biggest number that goes into negative 15, 12, and negative 9?
three.
Okay, so write your 3. Write your 3. See where the box is on the left? Write your 3 right there.
Which one?
Right in here. Right in here.
This one.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, 3y. Okay, so what's if you factor out a 3y, what is negative 15y4 divided by 3y? What is 12y squared divided by 3y? What is negative 9y divided by 3y? That's what goes on the inside of the brackets.
Oh, yes. Yeah.
What's negative 15 divided by 3?
5.
Negative 5. So write your negative 5.
Whoa, negative 5?
Is this negative 5 right here?
It's a positive 5.
Why is it positive?
Because it's negative 15. Don't a negative and a positive make a positive?
Don't a negative and a positive make
Wait.
a...
Wait, hold on. It's negative 5, sorry.
Yeah, so write your negative 5 in the next box. Okay, what's the exponent? What's y4 divided by y1?
Is it 3?
Yes. Y3. Okay, then what's the next two boxes? What's this one basically? What's this right here?
Well, the 12 divided by 3, right?
Yep, is how much?
4.
Okay, write your 4, and then what's y2 divided by y1?
1.
Okay, so and then the same thing with the last one. Just divide it out.
I got it. Oh, it's 4, 1, and 3. The last boxes.
4, 1, and 3.
4, and then there's little boxes. Okay.
All right, type it. Yeah, write it in, will you? Okay, see how this sign's a plus right here?
Yeah.
Then what should this is negative 3. So what should this number be? What sign should this number be?
What number?
The 3. This right here.
Isn't it a positive?
So it's got to be plus negative 3.
Okay.
All right, so 3y negative 5 y3 minus 4y1 plus negative 3. Okay, so 3y on the outside. On the inside, you've got negative 5y3 minus 4 y 1, don't need the 1, plus -3. You could just write -3 there. Plus -3. Either, it means the same thing. Okay?
Mhm.
Is it starting to make a little bit of sense?
Yeah,
Are you practicing on your own every day?
yeah. It's
Are you
not
sure?
it's pretty easy. She
Easy?
literally she goes over everything, so I really understand most of it, majority of it.
Okay.
I just wanted to meet with you, so I would go over it one last time.
All right. Try maybe a few questions tomorrow morning, and then by your quiz, you should be all right.
Okay.
All right, you're good for today?
Yeah.
All right. Let me know. Tell your moms to let me know what day you want to meet, maybe next week.
Okay.
All right. All right, man.
Mhm.
Good luck tomorrow, okay?
All right.
All right, I'll see you.
Mhm.